even the kids who weren't totally into science or into climate change or coding for that matter. It seems like the combination of the robotics, the coding, and the climate change, and seeing a practical use for what they were learning, I think it really kind of lit a fire in them. A lot of them actually ended up staying in later at recess and lunch if they didn't quite get the code right, or if they just wanted to continue with it because they were having so much fun with it. The kits really did captivate the students' interest in climate change very specifically because that's what we had been learning in science. They were able to see that, we can create these robotics to help us with different things that we might encounter in the future, and maybe we can be inventors or engineers. And so it was cool just to see, the popcorn kernels popping in their heads with ideas, and them just kind of really realizing that, oh, this is cool stuff, and we could really change the world, really. There was one student in particular that I noticed that she's kind of struggled with math and ADST and that design element, but I think because she saw the connection and what could be done, she really started to thrive with it. And she was a student who really did not like coding, did not like doing microbits earlier in the year. But when I asked her what she thought of it, she just said it was super fun because she was able to solve problems with her teammate. As a teacher, it was great to see, and it was just awesome to see that she was so engaged in her learning with the coding and the robotics as well, and just kind of connecting that to her previous learning. I think, next year for sure, I'm probably going to create something where we can hit all the learning outcomes and have this practical component to it, so the students have fun with the coding and with the creation of the kits, and seeing that they could really work collaboratively with others to solve real world problems. What I would tell my colleagues who are hesitant in learning or teaching coding would be that don't be afraid, take the risk, and even if you don't know how to code or teach it, the lessons are structured in a way that the students will easily be able to catch on to it. If teachers were just to do one of the lessons, they would become quite comfortable with it. I'm certain of it.